Ladies and gentlemen.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Frank Visionary. We out here, 2025 Chevy Suburban. We're gonna go ahead and get a 3-inch lift kit put on. We're gonna put some 35-inch tires. Well, they're actually 305/70 R18s. They're BFG KO3's. So KO3 is the replacement of the KO2 tire, and they don't yet make the true 35 by 12.5. But based on spec, honestly, the 305/70 is right there. It's like 34.8 inches tall, 12 inches wide. So we're losing a little bit on width, a little bit on height, but overall it's darn near the same tire. And the tread pattern has that little small upgrade, and it's supposed to work better as to why they're discontinuing KO2. But here we go. We're about to do a full transformation of this thing. Let me go into full vlog mode. As you guys can see, she has a little front rake. I don't know how much you could tell from the camera. She right now is sitting on, what kind of tire is she on? A Michelin, but it is a 265/65 R18, which is a tiny little baby tire for this big old beast. I'm not gonna do an interior review. I'm not gonna do a full-on review on the truck just yet, to be quite honest, because right now we're focused on just the exterior transformation that we're gonna do. What are we doing? We are gonna powder coat the brake calipers, so those are getting gloss blacked. We are, like I say, putting a 3-inch lift kit on. So shout out to our guys at Ready Lift. They came through super quick, next day delivery. Ready Lift suspensions. They have their 3-inch lift kit ready for the 2025 Chevy Suburban. So we're doing that. We're putting some 1.25-inch wheel spacers on. They're forged. They are attached to hub. The exact same spec for the center bore, which you don't want anything floating around. So when you do wheel spacers, a lot of people are against them. I've done them on, honestly, a lot of my vehicles and never really had issues. So when you do it right, thread locker on the threads, make sure you get the right center bore. You pretty much can pull off using your stock wheel and getting the look that you're going for. So I'm happy with the 18-inch stock wheel. I like the color of it. I like that it kind of matches with the chrome trim that we have on our Suburban. So we're gonna utilize that. What I don't like that brake caliper. That brake caliper, to me, as simple as it is, I think it'll make a difference with the white and black vibe that we have with this truck to do those gloss black. So we're doing that. We little touch, little Chevy cap right there, tire cap. And then, yeah, like I said, lift this baby up, get some big tires on her, pop the wheels out a little bit, and she'll be in full 4x4 mode, ready for the snow, which we should be hitting in the next 2 weeks. So let's get it. Stay tuned for this quick transformation. I know in past videos I've done with you guys, we're wrenching and all that, and I feel like I'm having to do fast forward and throw some music on it, and I don't know if that's entertaining. So we're just gonna go from this to this.
Ladies and gentlemen.
And there she is, finished project. So what did we do? What did we do to the 2025 Chevy Suburban LT that we bought? I know I broke it down in the first half, but now you see it completed. We're gonna do just a quick rundown of all the details. It's all the little things, guys, honestly. So you can't see it because I have it covered up there with the cover my plates, but we did license plate covers, which are black with black rivets. We actually powder coated brake calipers, if you can see them there. So those are powder coated black. We got valve stem covers, Chevy. We just picked up the new all-terrain BF Goodrich KO3's. These are the replacements of the KO2 tire. So we added those 305/70 R18s. We put Ready Lift's 3-inch kit, if you can see that in there. So we have a 3-inch lift kit all the way around from Ready Lift to give it the stance, which it's barely poking out. Hopefully the camera's catching that for you guys. We added 1.25-inch spacers. I'm gonna do a full video. I'm gonna do a full video for you guys of spacers and all that, to make sure you guys. A lot of people will be like, don't add spacers to your vehicles, they're dangerous, they're this, they're that. I'll be honest, I have added spacers to majority of my vehicles. I won't say all, but from the Lamborghini, the AMG GT63S, the Super Stock, my GTO has them, my TRX has them, the GLS, the Mercedes-Benz GLS, we have the AMG that has them. And it's honestly a cost-effective way for you to be able to pull off a nice stance look without having to go and throw crazy suspension components and buy custom offset wheels. Though I have some rides with custom offset wheels and custom wheels. It's honestly a quick fix. So again, I'm gonna do a full rundown for you guys of wheel spacers, because though this is poking just a little bit, I want it to stand out a little bit more. So I actually have 2-inch spacers on the way that I'll be adding and doing a complete video of that, of how to add the spacers, what I bought, that whole rundown. But anyway, back to this. Okay, so we did tint all the windows. So front windows are tinted to match the backs, and then we also tinted the front windshield. So that's what gives it that dark, stealthy look. But yeah, guys, that is the finished product. That is a 2025 Chevrolet Suburban LT with a 3-inch Ready Lift kit, 305/70/18 KO3's from BF Goodrich, 1.25-inch spacers. Am I missing anything? What can I think of that I'm missing on this video? I know what I'm missing. How did I fit it? And did I have to cut anything? Yes. I'll be honest, we had to chop quite a bit. So you'll see all inside of there, all that's cut. We had to cut all that out, and we actually had to cut the plastic off of this at an angle just to clear tire. If you can see inside there, we also had to cut fender liner and a bunch of plastic components to get full turn. So now this thing does have full lock right to left, no issues after cutting. So if you want this kind of a look on your vehicle, yes, you will need to cut. If you do it properly, there's no damage done, and it gives you the look that you're going for. All my vehicles, I've had to cut, chop, do whatever it takes to give it that visionary, you know, when stock is not an option vibe. So hope you guys like this build. I'm pretty proud of it myself. Stay tuned, we do have more, not only on this project, but I have the Mitsubishi GTO project, I have the 240Z Pandem Track Attack project, the TRX. I do have more videos coming your guys' way. In all honesty, I just have been procrastinating and dropping content, dropping videos on my builds. This is one that I just pretty proud of, so I had to drop the video on it. Hope you guys like what you see. If you guys have any questions, as usual, you know, comment below. Most of the journey, I'll share most of it on IG. I'll do some videos, final videos on YouTube. I don't do many shorts on YouTube, but IG honestly is the best way to stay up to date on the latest and greatest, what I have going on with regards to the car builds, Visionary Street Customs. Comment below, DM me, I respond back to everybody. Questions, if you want to give criticism, that's okay too. Try to be constructive with it. Give some positive feedback. I do hear what you guys are saying. I do, when it makes sense for what I'm trying to accomplish, I'll implement it into my builds, or I'll at least respond back to it with the reason of why I didn't do it your way of what you're suggesting. But as usual, guys, stay hungry, stay grinding, stay blessed. It's your boy, Frank Visionary, Visionary Street Customs.